On Tuesday evening, the indomitable spirit, vibrant culture, and undeniable talent of Jamaica was on full blast inside where? The National Stadium at Independence Park in Kingston at the official 57th birthday party of our country, aka Grand Gala. From Sizzla's entrance, the Beanie Man's performance, to of course Coffee, who ended the show, there was not a dull moment. Were you there?
No, I watched on TV though.
You watched it on TV?
Yeah.
Well, I was working, so I only get what came after, but I'm proud of the organizers of the event because I've been hearing off the street from layman that it really was a good one this year.
Yeah, you know what was good? What I saw, the flag, the image of the flag.
I saw that
brilliant.
too, or I heard about it first and then I saw pictures
that was
of it.
brilliant.
So I hear we have some clips so we can actually take a look at what you missed, or I missed.
what we both missed.
All my grandson, all my bleachers, every Beanie Man fans, we have beyond that here, so let's go to the beat. Make we have a party on the sun. Take off the rock, me want to see and I just bust a pose. Let me use me task stack. You see that pretty belly skin, they wear the tattoo. Can you imagine the real building? Umbrella bleachers, card, that's how this summer done. We have to do it. If you're ready for this summer, let's shout it out and y'all everywhere we go. Just go out and go home, we know. If you're ready for this summer, let's shout it out and y'all everywhere we go. Hold on. One jump.
And that was, of course, the awesome Beanie Man. He's such a consummate performer, and of course, we can't go without showing you this one. Look at this.
Yeah. We can't ball in our life, man. Grand Gala, what we do, we're going with it. To us. Grand Gala come here with a force, yeah. Listen to the reap and we course, you know. A Grand Gala and a riser. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be. Yeah. Blessings all for us, man. We thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for it. I got to do this a must. Yeah. Blessings fall by my right hand. Yeah. So what I toast to the friends we take off the big. I one time did sit down in a class and we a Grand Gala say brother me.
Yeah, the Grand Gala was something special, and I said to anyone, if you want to, as a dancehall artist, know how to perform, watch Beanie Man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
He's a consummate performer, man. I've seen that man all over the place, and his energy doesn't wane, and he just gets into it. And even if, you know what, I find that the older Beanie Man songs get more forward than the new ones, and I don't know why. Maybe it's because us older folk.
Well, speaking of Grand Gala, though, two entertainers were recognized. The iconic Rita Marley and Sizzla Kalonji were presented with citations in front of a packed audience at the National Stadium. Both Marley and Sizzla, whose real name, Miguel Collins, have done tremendous social work outside of the reggae realm. So it was a great honor to see Sizzla being recognized, and his performance was out of this world. What I saw on TV and the bikes in the stadium, honestly, I don't like the bikes.
They don't like bikes?
I don't like the bikes. But for the occasion and honoring Sizzla, as we look at the clip, it was something, a sight to behold.
Here we go.
Pleasant welcome to each and every one. All right, so let's say no, Jamaica. I told you, Jah bless her and make us. I trust that we gon' get there. This day to come.
You know what I like about Sizzla? I mean, you can see him riding on his bike through Kingston from time to time. He's just real. He's as real as it gets. You got August.
Sizzla has said that this award has given him a feeling of fulfillment, and that as an artist, his work is more about the people, and the award is testament to the fact that he has reached many people over the years that he has done this. Some 56 solo albums, and one of the most commercially and critically acclaimed contemporary artists, Jamaican, Sizzla Kalonji, to be honored here tonight.
Wow.
And also fantastic camera work. That was Tingle running behind Sizzla with the camera. So our
Poor
cameraman.
Tingle.
Yeah, but he's always good. You know? Our cameramen are always good. Always awesome.
Tingle need to carry Marvin with him go run.
No, do Marvin that. No, do Marvin that. But yeah, great Grand Gala. Great Grand Gala. Fabulous performances and a great honor. And speaking about nationality and Jamaica, national double sprint champion Elaine Thompson went on to win the Pan American gold in the 100 meters. So just a day after Jamaica celebrated its 57th year of independence, she won gold. But most importantly, on that day, Yona Knight Wisdom won Jamaica's first ever medal in diving, silver, at the Pan American Games. So that was special as well. So clearly, whole lot of great things happening for Jamaica here and abroad. Shelly Ann Fraser-Price broke a 40-year-old Pan American Games 200-meter record when she clocked 22.43 seconds on Friday. Sherika Jackson won the women's 400, Frederick Dakers, the men's discus, Megan Simmons, bronze in the sprint hurdles. So great performances all around for our team.
My goodness. It looked like Zion make Shelly faster.
Yeah, man.
It's like she need to have a next baby. It look like anytime she have a baby, she just take off.
Rocket,
That's awesome. I'm
she's
so
been
proud of
phenomenal.
her.
And
Mommies can do it too. Woo!
I think
Big
mommies
up
do
yourself.
better.
Hey!
Just
That's it
saying.
for our trending topics this morning. Please let us know how you feel about all we talked about on all of our social media pages. We'd love to hear from you.
Facebook, Snapchat,